Hello everyone, it's 1st December. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. On the first page, which is the world page, we have storm deaths cross 600 in Southeast Asia. Lanka told 334. Then we have Amit corruption trial. Netanyahu requests pardon. Then we have US Ukraine holds talk ahead of Moscow meeting. Then we have Pope takes peace message to Lebanon. Target of Israeli strikes. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. Then we have as winter session begins today. Opposition pushes for debate on SIR. Again, very important for political governance perspective. Moving forward, we have 38.51% voters turnout recorded in MCD by elections and closely watched contests. Again, very important for political governance perspective. Then we have Pakistan-based terror module linked to Gurdaspur grenade attack busted in 3 held. Again, very important for security perspective. Then we have urgent need to transform people's perception of police, says Prime Minister to officers. Again, very important for security perspective. Then we have the editorial page where we have one important editorial, which is in era of AI and climate change, energy policy must navigate new trade-offs. Again, very important for science and tech as well as climate perspective. Then we have Munambam protest against Waqf claim on land ends after 414 days. Again, very important. Then we have in Bihar, an IPS officer is bringing order to Malkhana black holes. Again, very important. Then we have how leap of faith landed Sanju Devi MVP tapped at Kabaddi WC. Then again, very important. Then we have why PM 2.5 is attacking your joints even before symptoms show up. Again, very important for health as well as environment perspective. Then we have obesity isn't just about willpower, it's about biology. Again, very important for health perspective. Then we have how antibiotics misuse is fueling a crisis in ICUs across India. Again, very important for data perspective. Then we have explain page where we have beyond headline numbers, rupees falling is real this time. Again, very important for economic perspective. Then we have understanding IMF's C grade for national account statistics before new GDP series. Again, very important for economic perspective. Then we have higher penalty regulatory quality. What new seeds bill propose. Again, very important for policy as well as agriculture perspective. Then we have Ditwa. How are the tropical cyclones named? Again, very important for environment perspective. Going forward, we have Center to bring new levies on tobacco, palm masalas on GST says set to lapse. Again, very important for policy and economic perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.